Morning, boys and girls on YouTube. Alright, here's a new project we're doing. In the comments, you guys wanted me to explain a little more, so okay. Try my best. Alright, found this little piece at the distribution center, Goodwill, up at TV Highway. And I'm going to be stripping it with this. Works great. If you need to strip some paint, this is your stuff. Okay. You can get a rag. A rag. Get a rag or a paintbrush, either or. Be very liberal with it. Don't be afraid. Enough. Let's wipe it all in there. Anything you want to strip, wipe it on there, and that's it. Alright, wax off. Look at the sides, we got plenty on our rack still. So my new camera harness is kind of wonky, so I'm trying to hold it and work at the same time, so bear with me. You want to do this first so it has time to set in while you're doing the other step. Always be prepared for the next step. I always say. We'll do the legs separately. Okay. Once that shit there. Okay. Now while that's sitting, we're going to work on taking the top off. That's okay. Let me set that up. All right, looking good so far. Good so far. All right, we got the top off, the veneer off. The wood underneath those don't look too bad, I guess, but these glue stain. Yeah. This little border edge. There's a board edge right on here. That's the small.